Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I'm going to do onion harvesting. I will show you stage by stage from seed till harvesting stage. In each stage I will show every stage in this video. Please do not skip this video. If you want to grow onion in your garden, please watch this completely without skipping. Let's get into the video. Before that, if you are watching Nageshwari's kitchen for the first time, please subscribe to Nageshwari's kitchen and press the notification bell symbol. You will get notified whenever I post my new videos. Let's get into the video. I'm preparing soil to grow onion. This is not only for onion, I'm mixing for other vegetables too. So I have taken 50% of garden soil, 30% of potting mix, and 20% of cocoa peat. So I'm using wheelbarrow to mix because the quantity of soil is really huge, and as I said, I'm preparing for other vegetables also. So I'm mixing this. The potting mix I have used from Bunnings, the cheapest one, that's all. And I have taken a small container. This is a spinach, the baby spinach salad container, which is available in Costco. So when you buy spinach, you will get with this container. So I'm using this container, and I made few holes underneath, and I added all the soil and the seeds which I'm using is brown onion, and I purchased these seeds from reject shop. When I was trying to find onion seeds, it was really hard to find in Bunnings, and I was trying to find shallot seeds because I love to grow shallots in my garden. If you know anyone who is selling shallot seeds, please comment in the comment section below, so everyone will get benefit out of it. So I just sprinkled the seeds, and then on top of it I'm just adding some more soil. So the amount of soil is based on the thickness of seeds. If the seed thickness is 1 millimeter, you have to add 4 millimeter or 3 millimeter thickness of soil. So that's the thumbnail. So it depends on the seed thickness. So if your seed is small, and add the soil based on that. That's it. When you put the seeds, you have to put the seeds in a separate container or in a separate place. After 2-3 weeks you have to remove the seedlings and replant in another place, and leave the space correctly to the onion diameter size. Let's say like um, 30 30 mm or 3 centimeter distance you can place your onion seedlings. This is exactly after 10 days. In the onion packet, they said it's 300 seeds, but when I see the growth of this, it's not 300. It's maybe around 50 or 50 to 75. That's all. But the growth of seedlings, few of them was really amazing, but some of them were not that much well growth. But when I used the seedlings, I used all of them, even um, the week seedling also I just planted, but it's growing. So if it is sprouted, that's all you have to do, so you can plant it. So my husband is going to put the seedlings. This is really important. You have to replant it to other place, otherwise you will not get a good growth of onion. பக்கம் கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி விட்டுடு மலிச்சு. So when you place seedlings, place it evenly distributed distance to the onion diameter. So take out the seedlings and place it accordingly. So I'm using a very small place in my garden bed because I have already planted taros at both of my garden bed end, and some I have planted some lettuce as well. So I'm using what wherever the space is available, I'm utilizing that and planted each and every single seedlings. So do not combine together. So each seedling one or couple onion, so at least you will get one onion. Plant it accordingly, and the spacing also should be even. So you need to put you need to consider the diameter of onion when you plant it. So that's all you have to do. And to this you have to water regularly, and that is really important. So try to use all your vegetable washing onion water, the rice water. I have posted some of the tips how to utilize the water properly to garden. I will give you that link in the comment section below. Water regularly, this is really important. So this is exactly 2 months. After 2 months, so each and every seedling is grown really well. Nothing were died, everything was grown so good. So you can see the growth of my taros and lettuce as well. But currently the taros was grown so big. I will update in my future videos. You can trim the spring onions from the sides. If you want to use spring onions in your cooking, you can do that. The nothing will happen to your onions, it will grow nicely. So I was using the spring onions in this stage. After 75 days I was trimming some of the spring onions and utilizing it to my curries or fried rice or noodles. I used it completely. So do not trim completely, so you can just trim from sides, so you can utilize it. And the growth of these plants were really amazing, and whenever you see some weeds, just remove it as it is. Otherwise the water will you have to pour a lot of water, it will consume more. So whenever I come to garden, whenever I see some weeds, I always clear it. So after 100 days, this is my plant status. Due to heavy wind, all these plants were fallen off, but it's just still it's growing, so I just left it. I wanted to try some more days because the onion size is small, so I want to leave it as it is for few more days.
Vanakkam. Welcome to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I'm going to be harvesting the onions.
My daughter is very curious to harvest, so this is after 110 days. We just wanted to try how the
Here
growth of
are the
these onions are.
onions. Some weeds grow which are bad.
ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ வெங்காய மட்டும் பாரு.
That was easy.
Yeah.
It's so easy.
I think we can leave some more days, Kanna. No, leave it. That's all. That's enough. Light அங்க காட்டு. No, it will grow bigger. We will pick later.
This one looks good. Can I just pick one?
Yeah, that's enough, Light. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, போதும். So we are harvesting after exactly 120 days. So this is almost 4 months. After 4 months, we are doing the harvesting because all the leaves were become turned into yellow color. So we wanted to take out all of them, and some of them were really small, but most of them were grown very good. I'm really happy because it's only this is my first time growing onion from seeds. So I'm actually quite happy with this growth of this plant, and also the space that I used is very small. From this place I got so much of onion, and my daughter is super happy, and she is excited. Always she always loved to do harvesting. And I, as always say, I used to engage my kids in my gardening activities, so they will know the importance of gardening, and also they will come to know each and every tips and vitamins about the vegetables, and where the vegetables grows, is it from root or is it um, so they will come to know all these stuff. And they'll spend some time in the garden so they can avoid watching TVs and mobile phones, all those stuff, always playing games. And so these, so they love to do as well, so I always engage them in my gardening activities. And so these are all the amount of onions that we got from harvesting. So we are going to leave this until these leaves are get dried up, then we can use this one. Okay, அதை அப்படியே யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது,
Yeah.
ராவாக இருக்கும். ஸோ கொஞ்ச நேரம் வந்து நல்லா, அப்போ தான் வந்து யூ கேன் கீப் திஸ் ஃபார் லாங்கர் டைம். So we keep this one in the garage. So let these leaves to dry out, then we will use it. Okay.
So if these dry, that means they're ready.
Yes, they are ready to use.
If only like some of them are dry, do we still get them?
Yeah, we take only the dried ones first.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. That's done. The leaves are dried up completely and it's ready to use. I wanted to weigh this and see how much onion that I got from my garden. This is not important, but I'm curious. I wanted to see how much I got it. So I weighed the onion. It's around 6 kilos. I'm really happy to see so much onion from a tiny place. So grow more vegetables in your garden too. So if you try any other new vegetables or any tip that you know, please share in my comment section below, so everyone will get benefit out of it. So this time I grown brown onion, but next time I will try shallots. And also I will post a video about how to collect seeds from the onion itself. So I will show that in my next video. So you don't have to buy seeds from store, you can just get it from your garden itself. So I will share that video soon. So this is my gardening video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you know any other tips to grow, please share. And I removed all these waste and I added to my garden itself. So don't throw in the rubbish bin. Use it in your gardening as a compost. So it always helps. So happy to see so much of growth. So nowadays I'm not buying much vegetables or mainly the leafy vegetables, because I'm growing almost everything in my garden itself. And I got around 6 kilos of onion. I'm so happy, and also I'm going to use it, these onions, and I'm going to make some fryams as these onions. I will post that in my future videos also, how to do that. And happy gardening. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you in another video. Bye.